Parents, I have such a darn tootin' smart class. We are doing math early, as I said in my little blog today, or little email post, and my friend here is going to be so brave, and she is going to show us, with my friends here, how to do 600 minus 426. Now, as I told you, this is kind of tricky, because there's two zeros. We're used to having one zero either in the tens or in the ones, but not both zeros in the tens and the ones. So, my friend, would you please very loudly tell the parents what the problem is?
If you have...
No, wait a minute. Just say the whole problem. Just say the subtraction problem.
600 minus 426.
600 minus 426. Okay, what's our first problem that we have to solve?
The ones.
The ones. And what is that? Would be 0 minus...
6.
If we have 0 cookies on a plate, girl in red, can we eat 6 of them?
No.
So, friends, help me sing it. We're going to...
Ease on down to the 10.
Parents, we're going to ease on down to the tens. Uh-oh. But what, girl in red, what's the problem?
If you have 0 cookies on a plate, you can't eat 2.
Right, if we have 0 sets of tens, right, we can't take 2 away. So, friends, what are we going to do?
Ease on down to the hundreds.
We're going to ease on down to the hundreds. That's right. All right. So we have 600. So what are we going to do? We're going to regroup. So show us what we're going to do, girl in red.
So we're going to take 6 cookies on a plate and we're going to subtract 4.
Well, if we have 600, we can take 4 away. No. We're not going to do that, remember? Because we have to solve our tens and our ones first. That's okay. So we're going to regroup. And parents, if we have 6 sets of hundreds and we take 1 away, we're going to have 5. Now, girl in green, I'm going to take 100 to the bank, right? And I'm going to ask the banker for what?
10 tens.
10 sets of tens, because you know, parents, 10 sets of tens is 100. Now, I don't know if you knew this, parents, but the tens are very stuck up, and the tens just want to be with the tens. So, girl in red, if I have 0 sets of tens and I add 10 to it, how many tens do I have? 10 sets. But we like to cross that out and make a better 10. All right. Kiddos, can we solve this problem yet? No. Parents, you will notice that we can't solve the ones. We still have 0 cookies on a plate. We can't take 6 away. So who can tell us what we do? Friend in glasses, what are we going to do?
We're going to go to the ones.
We're going to go to the ones?
10.
We're going to go to the tens, right? And what are we going to do?
Cross out the 10 and make a 9 above it.
Right. You see, parents, we have 10 sets of tens, so we can regroup, right? And now if we take 1 set of tens away, we're going to have 9 left over. And we're going to take that... Okay, who can tell me this? How about my friend? How about my hockey friend here? Hockey friend, if we have a set of tens and I go to the bank, what am I going to get if I exchange a set of tens?
10 ones.
10 ones. Parents, you know that 10 ones equals 10. Now, the ones are stuck up too. So if we have 10 if we have 10 ones and I add it to 0, how many do I have? Everybody? 10, that's right. If I have 0 ones and I add 10 to it, all right? And then we're going to just make a better 10 because it doesn't look so good. Now, girl in red, you are going to solve this problem for the difference. Tell us what the answer is. All right, so she is saying that 10 minus 6 is 4. Now, we don't say 9 minus 2. We're going to say 9 sets of tens minus 2 sets of tens. Are you trying to trick us, girl? 9 sets of tens minus 2 sets of tens is 8. Look at that one again. Oh, she's trying to trick me. 9 sets of tens minus 2 is 7. And then we have 500 minus 400, which is 100. These kids are geniuses, and they will have some homework tonight. I gave them an exit slip. There were 2 exit slip problems, and everybody got it right, which I'm going to say that makes me a pretty good teacher. Over and out.